Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
You can kind of see that it kind of comes off here, so you want to get in the top here, and you want to kind of pop this off at the top like that, and it'll kind of pull back and then just lift up like so.
Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb assembly is tight and secure. Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Replace the cover.
There's a small tab you want to kind of slide on to the housing kind of right there. So kind of put it on and slide it down and then push on this top part here, kind of pop it back into place.